Hi there! I'm so excited today to bring you the most easy project. So now check our materials to make a drawstring bag. The first thing we're gonna do is put the main fabric A and B right sides together and line up along the edge of one side and stitch. Next, we're gonna lift it up and line up along the edge so the right sides are touching. So now stitch again. As you can see, I've already pressed the seams with my iron. Our next step is match the seams and fold it in half. Then we are gonna iron a crease on both edges. Open it up. On the crease line, you want to make 2 marks on the both edges. Next, from the first mark, you just need to go to the right 3 centimeters and make a mark. So now from here, go to the left 3 centimeters so that you can also make a mark. Next, we are gonna do the same thing on the bottom. Because this is gonna be our opening to turn our bag. Now stitch along the lines except the openings. Don't forget press the seams with your iron. After ironing, turn it right side out. Poke those corners to make them sharply. Let's go to the inside and push the fabrics through it. Next, what you want to do is stitch all the way around 3 centimeters away from the edge. Now stitch all the way across 1 centimeter away from the edge. Make sure you do the same thing on the opposite side. It's time to take the strings, and we're gonna stick it through one end of our string here and take our bag, then string it through. Just push the fabric onto the safety pin and pull. When you get to the other opening, you just want to keep on going until you get to right where you started. Now remove the safety pin and create a knot. We are gonna go to the opposite side that we just did. And you want to string this all the way through till it comes out the other end. You can also create a knot. Now we have something that looks like this. Finally, our drawstring bag is complete. My finished bag is about 17 centimeters wide by 20 centimeters tall. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and thank you for watching. See you guys later. Bye!